This is an automatic tracking filling machine with 2 filling heads and a magnetic pump filling system, designed for production lines with frequent product changeovers and multiple bottle types. The system supports multiple recipe storage, reducing changeover time and improving production efficiency. The filling volume is customizable up to 20 liters, offering excellent flexibility for different products and container sizes. Each filling head is independently servo-controlled, ensuring precise volume adjustment and high filling accuracy. Magnetic pump filling provides smooth and consistent dosing, while the tracking filling structure synchronizes with moving bottles to minimize spillage and ensure clean operation. With a stable capacity of 2,000 to 3,000 bottles per hour, this machine delivers an optimal balance of flexibility, accuracy, and efficiency. This tracking filling machine is widely used for lubricant oil, edible oil, daily chemical products, food liquids, and industrial fluids.